Do you want to improve your workflow and your productivity in your online business? So I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm using Notion AI. I've been trying it for a while and it's been super helpful. I don't pay for Notion and I only added the Notion AI add-on. I think I'm paying £8 a month, which is not bad, especially compared with ChatGPT and all the AI tools. And because I use Notion for pretty much everything, I think it's better for me to just keep everything in one place and centralize everything. So when I need some information, I know exactly where it is. That's why I'm using Notion AI instead of any other AI tool. And I think it's great. It's saving me a lot of time, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm using that on my business in my life as well. One of the ways that I love using Notion AI is to come up with subject lines for my email newsletter. So for example, I have this content here. So it's the content for my newsletter. So let's say I don't know what subject line I'm going to put in this newsletter. So I can just come here and press space. And let's see, I already have in my drafts here the AI prompts that I used before. So all that I do, I just add some more details. Brainstorm, and it will give me ideas, subject line ideas here. So you can see Notion shop owner, don't make these mistakes, and you just pick the one that it resonates with you and with your tone of voice on your brand. So that's one of the ways that I love using that. And when I decide which one I'm gonna use, I just let's say if I select this one, I just copy and I'm gonna paste here subject, and then I can just delete the rest. So this is a property, this is AI property that I use to identify the subject line. So for example, the type is AI custom autofill, and I asked Notion basically to find the subject line and put it in this property. So that's what it does. And you can see here the subject is here, Notion shop owner, don't make these mistakes, and that's what shows up in here. The other way that I like to use Notion AI is by asking Notion AI to basically create comparison tables. So I've got this question for a webinar that I did a while ago about how to sell Notion templates, platforms, and all the things. And I've got this question: can you compare Etsy fees compared to Gumroad fees? So I could, go to Google, research and do everything manually, but I just asked Notion AI to do that, and it basically created this table for me. So you can just instead of using the templates, you do have templates that you can use, but you can create your custom template. Just ask, can you create a comparison table between comparing fees, listing charges, customization options, and comparing two things? And you can ask, what do you want to compare? And Notion AI is going to create for you, and it creates tables as well. That was very useful. And then I went back to Google and I just double checked if the information was correct, and it was. So it's something that you can of course, you need to double check if it's something important or if it's something that you're teaching someone, but my experience is being quite good with it. Notion AI is for creating prompts. So I love journaling, and I do have some pre-ready templates, but let's say I want to create I just want to start writing about something. So I just asked Notion AI to write some prompts about something that I want to reflect on. And Notion AI just creates the prompts for you, and you can just use the prompts, or you can ask to improve it, or whatever you want to do. The next one is to create product descriptions. So I have an Etsy shop and I have a website with my products. And one thing that used to take me a lot of time before was writing product descriptions, the details and everything. So I'm just going to show you an example. This is a product. Let's say you have the product ready and I want Notion AI to write the product description. So you can just carry on like asking to add more things and tweaking it. When it comes to AI tools, I never use exactly what they give me. I just use that as a blueprint, as a template, let's say, and it just saves me the time, just saves me this stress of having like a blank page and not knowing where to start. So that's one way that I love using any like AI tool, but especially Notion AI. So I'm just gonna tweak it and add my own voice to it. The next thing that I trying and testing using Notion AI for it is content strategies and just like business plans and things like that. So because I'm starting this YouTube channel now and I have no idea how to start and what to focus on, and I'm just doing things. So I asked Notion AI to help me to come up with a YouTube content strategy, and I added all information about my business, who I'm trying to help, who's my target audience, what are they struggling with, and how to optimize that for SEO as well. So here you should be able to see some prompts that I use it. So as a business strategist, I create a comprehensive business plan for my YouTube channel. The channel is focused on productivity for online business owners, primarily targeting content creators, business owners, with an emphasis on Notion templates and everything that I know about my business and that I have clarity on it now. So it gave me the entire strategy. It gave me a 3-month growth plan with content, and it analyzed my audience as well. And it basically gave me like a 12-week plan for it. So that's very useful. If it wasn't Notion AI, I would probably take weeks to do that by myself, because I'm an overthinker and I'm a Libra as well. So I take like ages to make a decision, and it would take me forever, and it just gave me a lot of clarity. Notion AI also gave me questions just to guide me about where I want to go with my channel and what I'm going to use to measure my success and things like that. And you can do that for any other social media that you have. This page here is just for YouTube because I have a filter, but this is my social media template, and you can add your goals and everything just in one place. That's why I love using Notion as well. But yeah, that's it. Have you been using Notion in your life or in your business? If you found ways to make your life easier using Notion AI, please let me know in the comments what AI prompts you've been using, and just share with us so we can help each other. And if you are new to Notion, or if you are just like trying to learn more and get into the Notion world, I have a mini course called Simplifying Notion, where I teach you all things Notion. This is especially for beginners. There is a module there just about Notion AI, where you can learn exactly how to use Notion AI, the prompts, and I'll give you a template full of prompts that you can use for life, for business, for goal setting, and all kinds of things. In Simplify Notion course, you learn from the basics, like all like the databases, the blogs, how to add text, how to add images, videos, how to customize it. And at the end, by the end of the course, you'll be able to create your own template, and you also get like some templates as well that you can just duplicate and start playing around with it. So if you want to join the course, I'll leave the link below. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like below and just share with someone if you know someone that uses Notion as well. This can be helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!